How to invest in gold for retirement security. Planning for retirement means making smart choices to protect your wealth. One proven way is by adding gold to your portfolio. Gold has been a safe haven asset for centuries, offering stability when markets are uncertain. If you're wondering how to start gold investment for retirement, here's a straightforward guide to help you get started. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why choose gold for retirement? Gold offers three main benefits. 1. Hedge against inflation. Gold holds value even when currency loses purchasing power. 2. Portfolio diversification. Adding gold balances risk in stocks and bonds. 3. Safe haven asset. Gold often performs well during economic downturns. 4 ways to invest in gold for retirement. 1. Physical gold. Buy gold bars or coins. Tangible and traditional, but needs safe storage. 2. Gold ETFs. Exchange-traded funds, easy to buy and sell on stock markets, offering liquidity without storage hassles. 3. Gold mining stocks. Indirect exposure by owning shares in gold mining companies. Higher risk but potential for greater returns. 4. Gold IRAs. Individual retirement accounts, a retirement account that lets you hold physical gold with tax benefits. Steps on how to start gold investment for retirement. 1. Learn the basics, understand how gold prices move and what influences them. 2. Set retirement goals, decide how much you want to save and your risk tolerance. 3. Pick your gold option, choose between physical gold, ETFs, mining stocks, or a gold IRA. 4. Research providers, find trusted gold dealers or low-cost ETF funds. 5. Open an account and invest, use a brokerage or retirement provider to start investing. 6. Monitor and adjust, review your gold holdings regularly to stay aligned with your goals. Knowing how to start gold investment for retirement can give you financial peace of mind. Gold adds security, diversification, and protection against inflation. Combine it with other investments, stay patient, and consider professional advice. By making informed choices, you can enjoy a stable and secure retirement. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.